Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix purple screen on Samsung phone. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix here, or the easiest fix, gotta find the volume down button and the power button. Okay, hold those keys simultaneously for about 7 to 10 seconds and wait for it to fully restart your phone. And once that's done, go ahead and check if it helps. Now, the other option, go ahead and go to settings, scroll down and find display. Find motion smoothness. If it's set to adaptive, tap on standard, head on apply, and check if it helps. Now, if it helps, you can go back to adaptive anytime. Okay. Now, if that still will work, go back to settings right here. Make sure that you have updated to the latest version of your Android. So just find update, just like so. Tap on updates, updates once more. And if there are available updates, go ahead and install them and check if it helps. Now, another option is maybe you have external hardware like cases or headphones. You can go ahead and try to disconnect any external hardware, as they can sometimes interfere with the screen. If none of that helps, okay, you can go ahead and find reset. Reset right here. Scroll down, reset. Now just factory data reset your phone. Okay, but do keep in mind it will erase all of your data, including photos, videos, files, or even audios. Okay, so make sure that make a backup on another phone or computer, then to try to factory reset your phone. Okay, now if that still will work, well, it might be a physical damage, okay, not a software issue. Well, what you can do, if the purple spot is expanding, it is likely that the AMOLED display is damaged. Okay, and the only solution for that is to, of course, replace the screen. Or if it's still under warranty, you can go ahead and take the device to a authorized repair center or contact Samsung support for a screen replacement. And that is it. That is how you fix purple screen on Samsung phone. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.